what is up everyone, and welcome back to the Animous, and today we're going to be doing a little bit of a special unboxing. We're going to be unboxing the new Celestial Dragon Collection Limited Edition 2024 for Gaahleri. Let's go ahead and get right to it. Now, our friends at Gaahleri did send this to the channel so we can go ahead and do an unboxing and a review, and I'm very happy to do so. Super excited to get this product in the mail. I know that there's been, sneak peeks here and there about this product, so I'm very happy to be one of the people that get to review and open this product firsthand. Now, it does come beautiful. It does come very secure in a box. Comes wrapped in plastic. Now, this is going to be limited to 300 kits. So for those of you that are looking to get this kit, you should get to it. You should get it as soon as they go ahead and announce it. So that way you can, you can get it from their website. I'm not sure if this is going to be available on Amazon, but I know it's going to be available on their website now. Beautiful art, beautiful packaging from Gaahleri to celebrate the Chinese Lunar Year of the Celestial Dragon. Now let's go ahead and open the box and see what the box brings inside. So when you open up the box, you have a few things in here. First of all, you do have the envelope with the thank you note from the Gaahleri team. You also have a couple of decals. You have a few Gaahleri decals and a new logo with a little panda that has the Gaahleri. The stickers are really good quality. The labels, I do believe they're separated. Yep, so the stickers are separated, so it's not just a square sticker. You do get the cylindrical sticker there. Let's go ahead and set those to the side. So you do have the Happy New Year from the Gaahleri team here. It says, "Dear value customers, to celebrate the upcoming Chinese New Year of the Dragon and to thank our loyal customers, we are excited to introduce the limited edition Celestial Dragon Collection." So it has two Mobius airbrushes holders embodying the dragon strength and elegance. The Mobius 0.2mm airbrush represents delicate precision, while the 0.3 airbrush showcases powerful coverage, mirroring the dragon's majestic ascent. All right, so that's actually really cool. So this collection is a way to express gratitude to those who support Gaahleri, inviting them to join us in a journey of artistic exploration. So very good letter there of gratitude from the team over there at Gaahleri. So once you open the box, it's pretty standard. You do get the instructions for the airbrushes here. You are going to get the O-rings for the Mobius themselves as well. This is a great addition. This is a great addition to the thing. I'm about to just hang it right now. Hold on. Let me see if I can just find a place where I can hang it. Now, with the box itself, I know that it includes both the 0.3mm Mobius, and then it also includes the 0.2. What it also includes that you might not notice, let me see if it'll show it, is that it includes two airbrush stands. Now, the Gaahleri airbrush stands are very sturdy. I already have one from the limited run for the Barbatos Rex. So I do have that one, and I love it. It's great. So it's really good that now I have two more with this kit. And as you can see, it's very sturdy. You take the airbrushes out, you place it on top. You can use it with the extender or without the extender. So it's completely up to you how you want to use them, right? One thing that I did notice is that for this stand specifically, they do have the dragon engraving. See if I can get a little focus there. They do have the dragon engraving on the stand itself, which is very nice. This is a very nice touch for these stands right here. So let me see. Let me check the other one. Let me check the other one to see if the other one has it as well. All right, so the second one does not have it. The second one is just a Gaahleri standard stand. However, I still do appreciate that they did include the one with the dragon engraving and the color change at the bottom. Now, for these airbrushes, like I said, this is just going to be an unboxing video for this airbrush kit itself to demonstrate what each box brings. Now, if you're looking for a review for these airbrushes, I do have a review on the 0.3mm and the 0.2mm one is coming soon. So you could just check those in my channel. I do have the review for the full review, in-depth review for this one, and mine's been working great so far, and I'm really glad to add these to my collection as well in regards to airbrushes. So I believe this kit is going to be around $199 for those of you that are looking to purchase it. It is a limited kit. So if you are looking into getting this kit, please keep in mind that it is limited to the first 300 people that are going to purchase it. Well, maybe less now because I have one of them. But just make sure to keep that in mind whenever you are purchasing this kit, that it is limited to 300 people. So just keep that in mind. Now, as for the Mobius itself, these are really good airbrushes. I've used them, and they do have an engraving. They do have the Dragon Year Edition, and they have the dragon engraving right there. That is a very, very nice touch. Very nice touch. That's awesome. I was not expecting that at all. A little tricky. Gaahleri playing tricks on me. And they both have it. They both have the Dragon Year Edition and the dragon engraving in the airbrush. That is a very nice touch. Very nice touch. I was not expecting that at all. So I'm very happy to have that to have that on the airbrushes, because they did add a little bit of a nice touch to the airbrushes themselves. Yes, the colors are just the standard colors for the Mobius. They didn't change the colors around for the Mobius. However, adding that engraving on the other side definitely gave it a nice touch for this limited edition kit. If you are looking into getting this kit, please be advised that these are going to be limited. Once they post them on the site, whenever they do run out, that's it. It's just a limited count of airbrush kits that are going to do. Just by looking at this, it seems like they're going to be doing this every year from now on. So just keep a lookout. If you do miss it this year, it doesn't mean that next year you might not be able to get it. And just keep a lookout for the posts and keep a lookout for the videos and everything that they post online. All right. So, and that is it for today's video. I just wanted to make a short unboxing to just appreciate how beautiful this kit is in regards to, you know, the representation of what it is. You know, it's a representation of the Lunar New Year. We are in the year of the Celestial Dragon. So for those of you that were born in the year of the dragon, congratulations to all of you. And I just wanted to showcase this limited kit just because our friends at Gaahleri did go ahead and send it to us so we can go ahead and do a review and unboxing. This is a nice kit. If you wanted to add something to your collection, maybe you haven't gotten the Mobius airbrushes yet, and you were thinking about getting them, this is definitely worth investing in if you don't have the airbrushes already. And even if you do have the Mobiuses already and you just want the ones that are engraved, then you can do so as well. So these are going to be limited, so just make sure that whenever you do go on their site, you can follow one of the links below. It'll take you directly to their site. That way you can just keep a lookout, maybe register for their alerts, so when this gets released, you can go ahead and grab your own. All right. This product has not yet been released, so just keep a lookout. All right. Again, thank you to our sponsor over there at Gaahleri. I do appreciate all the support that they do give to the channel, and I'm definitely going to enjoy using these airbrushes here in the channel. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time.